Lidus Electrical Non-Metallic Tubing, ENT, is made from high-quality PVC material. It's lightweight, flexible, and easy to install. We offer sizes from 1/2 inch to 2.5 inch. Colors in gray, blue, red, yellow are available. Lidus ENT is corrosion resistant, impact resistant, self-extinguishing, and fire retardant. The ENT is suitable for underground and above ground applications. It can be directly embedded in concrete. Even when exposed to -32 degrees Celsius outdoor environment, it will not be cracking or damaged. Lidus ENT is UL and cUL certified. Meet US and Canada industry standards. Lidus ENT is packaging usually in reels or coils. It's convenient and space-saving. We have our own warehouses and have products in stock. Provide a faster lead time. Lidus. Lead to safer electrical conduit systems.